thing. 20, 30 foot. This is a good spot right here. Alright, this is where we're hanging out. Alright. You want to hang out here or go a little further?
Some sand blowing up on the street.
Hello? Hey.
It's the sound, you know, it's the sand hitting the window.
Yeah, it's, well, we're being smart here. We're stopping right now. We're out on the beach right now. You can see it. We just had a 30-foot lawn.
I don't think I can walk in that. I can tell it by sand. It's not even water, it's sand. Dude, that's a good shot. Look at that.
Put that down for the no experience then.
Well, it's coming down hardcore. See the sand coming over that. See the sand coming over that wall. We're behind a building right now. You hear the roar. It's just coming down bad.